See the kind of journalists you have in Ghana. So journalism in Ghana is basically like just just have a camera and a microphone, go and put it in front of the politician, whatever he says, that is it. No fact checking. The fact that Emmanuel Agboja is a minister of roads and highways. And Minister of Road and Highways has come out to the media and has said something that is very, very, very appalling, something that is very uncharacteristic of a truthful politician. What has he said? He says that he has gone up and about this nation. He has gone all around, and he's struggling to see the 10,000 kilometers of road that Akufo Addo government claims to have done. Emmanuel Agboja says that he went across this country and he cannot find the 10,000 kilometers of road that Akufo Addo claims he has constructed. Now, Emmanuel Agboja can afford to make some of these statements in front of the media in Accra. Emmanuel Agboja, you can say some of these things in Accra. But you see, those of us in Volta region, we will not give you the chance to say some of these silly things or pass some of these silly commentaries. They were very serious. Because NDC MPs, especially those of them who are from Volta region, okay, we see them on regular basis. We visit their constituencies on regular basis, okay? And sometimes when you enter into their constituencies, you ask yourself, say, MP Wensono, does he receive common fund maybe? Allocations maybe? Because the constituencies in Volta region are among the poorest. Manodako, my brother, welcome. Volta region constituencies are among the poorest in this country. When you go to Okujeto's Ablakwa's constituency, nothing to write home about. Just one major road passing through the constituency. Nothing. Meanwhile, his government has been in power. Samuel Okujeto's government has been in power. When you go to the majority chief whip, what is his name? Dafia. When you go to his constituency, it is Akufo Addo government that has given a facelift to Dafia constituency. And it was on that he even campaigned during NDC primaries. What Akufo Addo did for him, how he was able to get Akufo Addo's government to do projects in his constituency, is what he used to campaign in his primaries. Now, Agboja in Adaklu knows very well that even where Akufo Addo came to commission the water, where Akufo Addo came to commission the water, that road was not in existence. It was done under Akufo Addo. That is why I'm pained. That is why I'm angry. And Agboja Nimpao, that the very place Akufo Addo came, and Agboja was there when Akufo Addo was commissioning the water project. The road that leads there was done under Akufo Addo because of that very project. There are only two ways of entry into Volta region from Greater Accra. One is to going through Pon, okay, to Atimpoku and entering. The other way is to using the Sogakope stretch. If you want to access Agboja's constituency, the luckiest route you would take is to use the Atimpoku stretch. Agboja drives on that road, stretch of road, almost every weekend to his constituency, which is Adaklu, which is just by me here. Now, the road from after Juapon, after Okujeto's constituency, all the way to Asikuma, that road from Juapon to Asikuma was rehabilitated by Akufo Addo. I remember very well, there was about a time frame of about 7 months that I didn't visit Accra. So the next time I was going to Accra, I had to leave at dawn because I had to do something there early in the morning. Normally, when you are sleeping in the car and you are leaving home to Accra, you expect the car to be dodging potholes and some rough road on the way. This day, actually, I was sleeping and I was not in my mind, the car was not dodging as it should dodge. I did not get it in. So I woke up and I asked the person by me if the driver was using another route. He said no, the driver is still using the road I know. I said, wow. So when I was returning to Volta region, I decided to come in the afternoon to see for myself. And I can tell you, the road was done by Akufo Addo government. This is a road Agboja uses every day. Agboja, almost every week, he uses it. So if Agboja comes to stand in Accra to say that he has not been able to see the 10,000 kilometers of road, I don't need to go and bring a long list and start mentioning, which I could do actually. But the one he uses, the one in his constituency, Agboja is telling Ghanaians that in his constituency, Adakulu, he has not seen a new road from 2017 to 2024. Come on. And you see sometimes journalists, Ghana journalists, I have a lot of issues with you people. Well, we understand how polarized you people have become. Now Annie has been sorted out, of course. She's going to the Ghanaian High Commission in UK and Ireland as the head of public affairs or public relations. And also, she has been Annie, Metro TV. She has not been sorted out. You see the kind of journalists you have in Ghana. So journalism in Ghana is basically like just just have a camera and a microphone, go and put it in front of the politician, whatever he says, that is it. No fact checking. Zero fact checking. Now my pastor says, wow, yeah. Those of you who know Annie of Metro TV, she has been sorted out finally. She has been appointed by John Dramani Mahama. After Randy Abe's appointment, Annie has also been appointed. So Agboja uses new roads. Now Agboja, even if you decide to use Tema motorway when you are coming to Volta region, are you telling the Ghanaian people that the Tema motorway, the Tema roundabout, the interchange at Tema, you have not seen it? Agboja, you have not used Tema interchange. Beautiful interchange, started and completed by Akufo Addo. Agboja, you have not seen it. Agboja, you are telling Ghanaians that you have not seen the Flyport overpass. You have not seen it. Sprinters Road, Flyport overpass, no. Agboja has not seen it too. And media men, they just stand there like, sorry to use this word, but zombies. And a politician who is being paid with the taxpayers' money is spewing gibberish. And the media guy thinks he has a story. And you see Joy News, City, and the TV3 and Co. They are publishing it. That Agboja say you cannot see the 10,000 kilometers of road. If this is the way to do journalism, then I think I also qualify to become a journalist. No wonder people are now saying that if you want to become a journalist, you don't really have to go to school. Because it's about camera and a microphone. I have a microphone. This is I didn't learn in school. I have a mixer here. I didn't learn in school, but I'm able to operate them. You won't fact check. Agboja is telling us that Hawkway to Jessican Road to KJB, he has not seen it. These are roads Agboja uses because some of his family members are in Oti region, and we know. Some of his family members are in Oti region. Road started from scratch by Akufo Addo. So people, don't even pay attention to the minister who doesn't know he's a minister. Mami say he has no respect for Ghanaians at all. And it's only Agboja. Almost all the appointees of John Mahama, they have no respect for Ghanaians. So that is about that for the roads. Let me